thought energy healing was total nonsense until I saw the brain scans. Neuroscientists measured people tapping on acupuncture points and their stress circuits literally calmed down. Amazing. That got my attention. For months I felt anxious, wired and exhausted. Nothing, not coffee, not motivation was fixing it. So I finally tried what I've been mocking. A 1-minute tapping practice from Smart Majority's EFT and Meditation course. You can try it right now. It takes less than 1 minute. 1. Start by taking a deep breath. 2. Gently tap the side of your hand. 3. Move to your eyebrow point. Then the side of your eye. Under your ears. Under the eye. Under the nose. Chin. Collarbone. And top of the head. About 5 taps each. While tapping repeatedly, say softly, even though I feel tense, I'm safe and I can let go. Notice your breath slowing. That's your vagus nerve turning on. Your body's built-in reset switch. It's not magic, it's psychology. In minutes, your heart rate and your stress hormones start to balance. If you'd like to explore the full method, join tens of thousands inside Smart Majority. Your free 7-day calm and wellness trial includes 150 plus courses like EFT and meditation and Ayurveda Foundations, both showing the science behind natural calm. Start free today at smartmajority.com. It's gentle, practical, and you can cancel anytime.